Chapter 3. Musuo wakavurika. The door opened. Knock knock. No one moved. It felt like the whole room was holding its breath. Nyasha, it's me. Her name. The way he said it. Soft but familiar. Nyasha akamira, slowly, ruoko rwake ruchibata sofa, kuti asadona. Her heart was racing now. Fast. Too fast. Tinashe, she whispered. I know that voice. Tinashe akamutarisa. Eyes sharp now. Who is it? Nyasha didn't answer, because she already knew. She walked towards the door, step by step, heavy. Behind her, baba vakasimuka. Amai vakamira zvekare. No one was sitting anymore. Everything had changed. Nyasha akasvika pamusuo, ruoko rwake rwakamira pahandle. For a second, she froze. Because once she opened it, there was no turning back. She took a deep breath, closed her eyes. Then, she opened the door. Akamira ipapo, eyes wide. Hi Nyasha. It was him. The one she never stopped loving. Standing right there. Same face, same eyes, same feeling. But something was different. He looked tired. Can we talk? He asked. Nyasha couldn't speak. Her body reacted before her mind did. Chiri busy. Tinashe's voice came from behind, cold, firm. The man outside looked past her, saw him, saw everyone. Oh, he said softly. I didn't know. You weren't supposed to know, Tinashe replied. Nyasha turned. Tinashe, please, no. He cut her off. Let him speak. The man outside looked at Nyasha again. Only her. I tried to stay away, he said, but I couldn't. The whole room was quiet. Takafunga kuti maybe you moved on. Nyasha's eyes filled with tears again. I tried, she whispered. Tinashe akaseka zvishoma painfully. Of course you did. The man stepped closer. Just a little. But you didn't, he said. That hit hard. Baba vakapindira. Who are you? The man turned respectfully, but not afraid. My name is Koda. Ndiri munhu waanoda. Room yakaita senge kunge yadonhera pasi. Amai vakabata muromo, baba vakatsamwa. Tinashe akamira, still. Then slowly he nodded. Good, he said. Everyone looked at him, because now I know exactly what it is. Nyasha akatarisa kwaari, fear, confusion. This is not love, Tinashe continued. This is confusion. Kuda akaseka zvishoma. No, this is exactly what love looks like. The whole room heated up. 2 men, 1 woman, 1 truth. Nyasha akamira pakati pavo, breathing heavy. Because for the first time, no one was deciding for her. She had to choose.